Imagine a city that knows when you're about to leave home, adjusts traffic lights so you never hit a red signal, and even predicts which neighborhoods will flood before it rains. Sounds futuristic? It's already happening, thanks to artificial intelligence. But can AI really plan our cities? Can it solve traffic, pollution, and housing crises? Things humans have struggled with for decades? Or are we just building another layer of complexity we can't control? Stick with us, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how AI is shaping the cities of tomorrow and whether we should trust it. Planning cities is incredibly complex. You're juggling transportation, housing, infrastructure, environment, population, politics, all at once. And the truth? Urban planners are often working blind. They use historical data, outdated maps, and long approval chains. By the time a decision is made, the city's needs have already changed. That's where AI steps in, not just as a tool, but as a game changer. AI is already analyzing enormous amounts of urban data in seconds, something a human would need weeks to do. Let's break down a few game-changing ways it's helping. Predictive modeling. AI can forecast how a new subway line will affect housing prices, commute times, and traffic 10 years from now, before a single track is laid. Flood and heat. Mapping. AI identifies flood-prone zones and urban heat islands more accurately than traditional tools, helping cities become more climate resilient. Traffic management. In cities like Hangzhou, China, AI systems reduce traffic jams by up to 15%, dynamically adjusting traffic lights based on real-time congestion. Public safety. Some cities use AI to predict crime hotspots and optimize emergency response times. Though this opens up big ethical debates too, we'll get to that. Let's zoom in on a few cities using AI right now. Singapore, possibly the smartest city on Earth. AI helps manage water usage, traffic flows, and building energy efficiency. Their Urban Redevelopment Authority even uses AI to simulate how shadows from skyscrapers will affect surrounding parks. Amsterdam uses AI to optimize waste collection routes and reduce traffic from garbage trucks. That's right, AI is literally helping keep the city clean. Toronto. Though controversial, the now canceled Sidewalk Labs project introduced ideas like dynamic zoning and real-time feedback loops to guide urban development. These aren't science fiction. They're proof that cities can get smarter, faster, and more sustainable when AI joins the planning team. Now, here's the twist. AI is only as good as the data we feed it. And if that data is biased, well, so are the results. For example, if historical housing data reflects discrimination, the AI might recommend more of the same, unintentionally reinforcing inequality. Then there's the surveillance question. How much data are cities collecting? Who owns it? Are we trading privacy for convenience? Smart planning doesn't mean giving up control. It means using AI responsibly. Urban planners, not algorithms, must stay in charge of the final decisions. The goal isn't to replace human planners, but to supercharge them. Imagine an AI assistant for every urban planner, one that can simulate 100 versions of a city plan overnight, one that can tell you what will happen, not just what did happen. Cities are living organisms. They grow, they struggle, they adapt. AI gives us the ability to understand them like never before, but it still takes humans with vision, empathy, and creativity to make sure those cities work for people. So, can AI help plan our cities? Yes, and in many ways, It already is. But the real question is, what kind of cities do we want to live in? Do we want them faster, greener, more inclusive? Tell us in the comments. Would you trust an AI to help plan your city? And what's the one thing your city desperately needs help fixing? Subscribe to Grid and Grit for more stories where tech meets city and sparks fly.